Good PM. Today is Saturday, March 23, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, March 23, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for March 23, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for March 23, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.